How to connect a Samsung Smart TV to a mobile hotspot. Step number 1. Enable hotspot on your mobile device. Open settings on your mobile device, phone or tablet. Go to Network and Internet or Connections, then select Hotspot and Tethering. The menu names may vary depending on your device. Enable the mobile hotspot feature and make note of the hotspot name, SSID, and password. Step number 2. Open the settings menu on your Samsung Smart TV. Press the home button on your Samsung TV remote to access the main menu. Navigate to Settings and select it to access the TV settings options. Step number 3. Select Network Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll to General, then choose Network. Select Open Network Settings to begin setting up a new Wi-Fi connection. Step number 4. Choose Wireless. In the Network Settings menu, select Wireless as the connection type. Step number 5. Connect to your hotspot. A list of available networks will appear. Locate the name of your mobile hotspot and select it. When prompted, enter the password for your hotspot and select Connect. Step number 6. Confirm connection. Your Samsung Smart TV should now be connected to your mobile hotspot. You can confirm by checking for a connected status under Network Settings. Important note, using a mobile hotspot can use a significant amount of data, especially for streaming, so ensure you have an adequate data plan with your carrier to avoid additional charges.